A few days ago, I was sitting at my desk trying to work on a new video, and at some point I picked up my phone, opened Instagram, scrolled for a minute and closed it and put the phone back down. And maybe 2 minutes later I did exactly the same thing again. The weird part was that I wasn't waiting for any message, I wasn't looking for anything, and I didn't even make a conscious decision to check my phone, because my hand just reached for it when the work became slightly uncomfortable. And that's when I started paying attention how often this actually happens, and honestly it was more than I expected. Every time I had to think a little harder, make a decision or stay focused for longer than a few minutes, my brain immediately looked for an easier option. And my phone was always right there. I used to think I checked social media because I was bored, but now I'm starting to think that a lot of the time I'm just trying to avoid the small feeling of discomfort that comes with making something. So for example, when you're watching content, everything is easy because someone else already did the thinking for you. But when you're creating something yourself, there is always a moment where you don't know what to say, what to change, or whether the whole idea even makes sense. Apparently my automatic response to that moment was to open Instagram or TikTok or whatever. I'm not trying to completely stop using social media because that would be unrealistic, and I still enjoy watching things like everyone else, but now I try to notice when I'm actually choosing to take a break and when I'm just escaping the work for no real reason.